Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Star Citizen Untrusted System File on your PC. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows menu over here and just type run. I'll select this and go to this path, percentage local app data percentage. Hit enter or press OK. Now here, I want you to locate Star Citizen. You can click on any folder and then press or type the letter S and then locate Star Citizen. So open the folder. Here, another folder will show up. Click on it and then graphics settings and then graphics settings.json. So I want you to right click and open with your notepad. Okay. Select notepad or notepad plus. And then once you're clear, see that zero over there, graphics renderer, semicolon zero. I want you to replace it with number one. Okay. So like this one, once you're done, just go to file and then hit save. Okay. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is go to a previous driver for your graphics. This will mostly resolve the problem in the game. So you can go to your browser, look for driver AMD download, click on it, and then over here, select Hero Graphics. And then, for example, if you have the Radeon RX, pick your series over here, and then click on Submit. And then choose your OS, right? Then what we need to look for is previous versions. And then drop down, let's locate for 25.9.1. So this version, download it. But before you install the driver, I want you to uh, I want you to download the DDU uninstaller, perform that first, and then you can proceed in installing this previous version of AMD driver. Okay. And once done, go ahead, reboot anything, and pretty much all of your issues should now be resolved. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.